Did anything change, I guess, in terms of the fundamental picture, government stimulus in China? It's been a big worry point for investors everywhere, whether there might be a little bit of a hard landing in China. So what do we make of the market action overnight?
Well, I think that when you can get a 4% bounce off of some hopeful words out of Beijing, because there's no real specific action, it just goes to show you how deeply oversold their stock market was. So that's the only information we have, is that there's a lot of short covering going on, giving you a bit of a technical bounce. I mean, we already had, the indication of some real stimulus out of the latest cut from the PBOC on reserve requirement ratios just about a month ago. And that's real stimulus, that's credit stimulus, and the market popped and then rolled over again. So this is really just a flash in the pan as far as I can see.
Well, beyond what it might mean for the Chinese stock market, I mean, as it kind of fits into the whole global economic picture, is China going to be just a drag in general on the economy? I mean, you have this big story going on about, decoupling of U.S. domestic economy and markets from emerging markets in China. Can that be sustained?
Well, I don't think that, the emerging markets or China are going to bring the U.S. economy to its knees. The U.S. economy is, broadly speaking, much more domestic. I mean, 90% of U.S. GDP is pure domestic demand. The channels would come more through the financial markets, the general tightening in financial conditions. So I think that's where you'd see, the real impact